What's up, guys? This is Arez 7 RCT bringing you another video for you guys, and I hope you guys are doing well out there, all the gaming community and the tech community. I'm over here doing another update video. This one is a direct follow-up from the recent unboxing video that I did on the Corsair HX 750 80 plus platinum, that I did the unboxing and install and then all that good stuff. Now that in turn was an update to my 6 months update of the Vega 56, the Strix, Arez Strix. And since basically I did not want to leave it there in that 6 month update, because I did preface that video by saying that my old PSU unit was, at the time when I was running these tests and benchmarks and stuff, kind of giving out. It was starting to show the first signs of wear and tear, or maybe becoming the victim of a power surge, which is very common where I live. So basically I wanted to go back, rerun everything, as to give more, at least validity to basically what I stated on my 6 months update video. That being said, I did rerun the tests. Everything is installed, everything is very stable. I did focus a little bit more, or dug in a little bit more into the fan profiles. Now of course, a lot of time has passed since my first test to now, and there's variables like temperature, ambient temperature and stuff like that. I did that back when it was summertime. I don't have AC units installed here, so there's heat versus now, which is a bit cooler, the ambient temperature. However, I believe that with the changes that I did in terms of airflow inside of my case, which is a very big case, that and the new power supply did affect somewhat, not dramatically as much as the fan profiles did, but it did affect positively, basically, the outcome of said test. Now I included one more talking about the fan profiles in the application, which I also used back then. This is not it. Here we go. Now basically the standard one would be the gaming mode. This is the fan profile that basically kind of raises and lowers the fan speed based on the temperature from the card. Now I stated back then that it was not activating, and I still stand by that. It activates, but it does not activate enough for high temperatures. So of course I created a profile, and that profile I even lowered it from last time down to 47, and even this is more than enough to give you very good temperatures. So basically this is the one that I'm using over the other one. That's how much of an improvement has happened since I installed the new power supply. Now of course there's nothing like numbers, and of course I run some tests, and for these, before I even bring them up on screen, these I ran them with Forza 6 Apex running at 4K, all settings high or maxed out, for more uniform results. And these were all done in 7.20 seconds, 7 minutes and 20 seconds. And then I just charted them out so you can see. It's a little easier to see here. Now one of these, the red of course, is the one using the gaming fan profile, and you can see here from the beginning to the 720 mark, you can see this specifically is the GPU temperature, and you can see how dramatically different from using one profile over the other, what the differences are. Now this is the hotspot temperature, and again we keep seeing similarities in the beginning, but then when things starts ramping up, we have completely opposite reactions here. We have high temperatures going up on this using this profile, and the other one is going down. Now, last but not least, got the HPM, and again we see the same pattern emerge. We have, you know, higher temperatures overall using the gaming one, and the custom one, well, gives out, you know, better results. They're not earth-shattering by any means, because even this one, the highest that you're going to be seeing here is around 40 Celsius or 50 Celsius, or, you know, it's not going all the way up as it was like that 105, 103 Celsius that I was getting the first time around. Now, for the rest of this video, I'm going to be showing you some tests that I did. I'm going to edit that in so you guys can see it actually running, of some firmware that also comes with the application here. So you don't need to go hunting down for that. You have it here in tools. I run the firmware optimized for 4K, and you're going to be seeing the results of that, and you're going to be seeing some more superposition now results, and you're going to see the differences between the fan profile. Again, this is using standard undervolting settings, you know, the auto undervolting. Now, as I mentioned in my previous video, the 6 months updating video, and I'm going to put that on screen here, I still recommend these settings that I have for manual undervolting. You can try, mess around, and see what comes close to working for you guys. But again, if what you want is something stable, something that you don't have to keep tweaking or changing, just go with the auto undervolt. It just works fine, and it works across all the games. So at least, you know, you have something standard. If you want to tweak more because you want to bring out, because there's some games that probably are not quite getting there and you want to get the most out of your card, then go with the manual settings. That's all I'm saying. It's going to be different for everybody. But for now, basically, that's what I wanted to bring to the table, guys. I wanted to show you guys that, you know, that I'm still thinking about that video, and I love the fact that many of you came out to comment and give your opinions and stuff like that, which I enjoy very much. Anything that you would like to add to this, I'm more than appreciative. Please, of course, as always, like and subscribe. That really helps a lot. And I'm gonna leave you here with the results so you can check them out and let me know what you think. So this is Arez 7 and RCT Gaming signing out. See you guys next time. Take care.